Okay, spin.
Spin the wheel. Do you have a bracelet?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, spin the wheel.
Okay, stop. Stop. Want to do it again?
Why don't you play
Do it again. Keep playing. Keep playing. Do it again. Just spin it once. That's it. Stop.
Good job.
Keep playing.
I keep getting it.
Keep getting until you get a red or a blue, okay?
Keep spinning.
Just keep spinning. Just don't touch it.
Oh.
Okay, keep
Really close.
spin one more time.
Do you want to
Spin.
Spin hard. What's this? Really
Okay, do it again until somebody comes.
Keep going.
Spin again, Zoe.
Switch your hands around here. You're going to try and pull out either an orange ball.
Do a really good spin. Spin it hard.
If you pull out a white ball, you get one ticket. Okay? So mix it around for
Good job. We have so 3 tickets.
Ready? Go
Do it again. Want to do it again? Yay, you got more red. Do it again. Keep going. Okay, Zoe, let somebody else try.